täna te saite oma tunnistused. Täna algab koolivaheaeg. Kuid kahjuks ma pean ütlema, et tulemused ei ole väga head. Ma siiski ei kaota lootust, et ühel kaunil päeval te saate aru hariduse tähtsusest, mis võib olla veel tähtsam kui haridus.
Jõulus! Now my girl's what it's all about.
Ready for some sunshine, for my hot take chair. I'm here to stay, not moving away. Ready for a summer romance.
Everybody's ready, going crazy, yeah, we're out.
Come on and let me hear you say it now, right now.
What time is it? Summertime.
It's our vacation.
What time is it? Party time.
That's right, say it loud.
What time is it? Time of our lives.
Anticipation.
What time is it?
Summertime. School's out, street shout. Nobody rules, no summer school. I'm free to shop till I drop.
It's an education vacation.
And the party never has to stop. Don't wanna leave it all behind, but I get my hopes up and I watch them fall every time. Another color turns to gray, and it's just too hard to watch it all slowly fade away. I'm leaving today, 'cause I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. I got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. We might find a place in this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way.
What about us? What about everything we've been through?
Oh, what about trust?
You know I never wanted to hurt you.
Oh, what about me?
What am I supposed to do?
I gotta leave, but I'll miss you. So I got to move on and be who I am.
Why you have to
I
go?
just don't belong here. I hope you understand.
Trying to understand.
We might find a place in this world someday, but at least for now,
I want you to stay.
gotta go my own way. Got to move on and be who I am.
What about
I
us?
just don't belong here. I hope you understand.
Trying to
We
understand.
might find a place in this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way.
Here we go. Come on.
Alright,
Little louder now. Looking forward from center stage to graduation day. Time to get the future started.
when we leave, what we take with us, no matter what, it's something we're part of. We learn to fly together, side by side. I just hope the rest of my life will feel as good as mine.
High School Musical. Who says we have to let it go? It's the best part we've ever known. Step into the future, but hold on to High School Musical. Let's celebrate where we come from. The friends who've been there all along, just like a high school musical. Improvisation without a script, no one's written it, and now we have the chance to.
But someday we'll be looking back, memories will
jälle sama kaameraga. Ma ei ole nõus ühtegi pilti kuskil avaldama ega kuhugi netti panema.